In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch communities in Skool. If you're part of more than one community in Skool, moving between them is quick and seamless once you know where to look. Think of your communities like different rooms in the same building, each with its own discussions, courses, and events. And the sidebar is your hallway. Start on any page inside Skool. Look to the left side of your screen to find the sidebar. This is a narrow vertical panel that stays consistent as you browse. In it, you'll see a stack of icons, each one representing a community you're a member of. These icons may be custom logos or simple initials, and the one for your current community is usually highlighted so you know where you are. If you're not sure which icon is which, hover your mouse over an icon for a moment, and a label will appear with the community's name. This makes it easy to confirm before you click. To switch communities, simply click the icon of the community you want to open. That's it. The main area of the page will refresh and take you to that community's home. You'll see its unique feed, courses or modules, event calendar, and any pinned announcements. Your notifications and search will also adapt to the community you've just entered, so everything you see is relevant to that space. If you like to keep your place in the current view, you can hold Control or Command while clicking to open the new community in a separate tab. If you don't immediately see the sidebar icons, there are a couple of quick things to check. On smaller screens or browser windows, the sidebar may be collapsed to give you more room. Look for a small menu or hamburger icon near the top left corner and click it to expand the sidebar. You can also try scrolling the sidebar area if your list of communities is long. More icons may be available below the fold. And remember, only communities you've already joined will appear here. Once you've clicked the icon, give the page a second to load and glance at the header or banner to confirm you're in the right place. From there, navigate just as you normally would. Browse posts, start a discussion, check your progress, or look at upcoming events. When you're ready to move again, return to the left sidebar and click another community icon. That's all there is to it. The sidebar is your quick switch control for Skool, letting you jump between communities with a single click and stay focused on the conversations and content that matter most to you.